Good overview as well. The tab on the speaker was connected wrong, and because it's a field coil speaker chassis, I've rigged up a 12 volt transfer as primary to the field coil. What normally is a field coil on a speaker, well, that's where this transformer is connected to substitute that. And now the audio works. I put my fingers on the inputs, the audio gets the audio amplifier is working, but the radio does nothing. I can't get nothing on the radio at all. So I reckon the resistor might be open somewhere. I tried replacing this capacitor electrolytic, but it's fine. Made no difference. They look like wire around resistors though, so I'll give it a test anyway, see how they go. The capacitor must have failed. I'll try jumping this capacitor out and the other capacitor out with a substitute. I tried the substitute method of capacitors, it didn't seem to change anything, so I jumped the near one across this one, which I'm setting as a 0.1, and I jumped that one here across. Tried this one and this one, but didn't really change anything. Could be a bad valve, possibly a bad valve, but the switch, I just cleaned it. Yeah, the audio amplifier works, I can get a signal in here, but the radio part don't work. Anyway, my old LCD TV started acting up again. I just found more bulge capacitors. Two bad Samyang crap capacitors. Or Samwa crap. That one's jizzed. 35 volt 1500 microfarad. And there's another one there. This junk, utter junk. It's a smaller one, that one. So they're going to get replaced. These Panasonic ones are very good. I don't really use it to watch TV though, because it doesn't actually pick up half the HD channels. But as a monitor and this to watch the basic stuff, it's alright. I'm not really, I don't really, well, I do watch the news, but I just, yeah. I'm starting to give our local news services about as much credibility as I do Infowars. They just become kind of a joke, actually, to tell you the truth. Anyway, so this would be an easy fix. Okay, one new cap and two good second-hand ones. Decided to change this other 2200 microfarad. It's okay, but don't trust it. I'll do an ESR test. Let's see what it does, eh? I'm going to set the camera down and do an ESR test on the capacitors. I'll see how expired they are. I'll show you this other one. Puffed up so badly she nearly went bang. The bottom, the arse end blew out even. Shit its pants. Circuit board's clear though, thankfully. Dirty bastard of the capacitor. Monitoring this capacitor. 0.01 ohms. Wow. That's still measuring good. 0.01 ohms ESR, that's amazing. But it's, instead of it being 1500 microfarad, it's 1794 microfarad. It's a pretty low ESR though. For a capacitor, it's buggered. Virtually open circuit, I would say. Be close to it, being that. 1.3 ohms, that's kind of high. 10 volt, 2200 microfarad, leaky. Can't give me what capacitance is. They explained on the TV was green lighting, it wouldn't go off standby, that capacitor. 0.2 ohms, 2051 microfarads instead of being 2200. Yeah, she's lost a bit of capacitance, so crap capacitor. Capacitor deserved to be changed. Junk. Of course, so there's a chart for these ESR meters. I should print it out and laminate it and put it inside the door of this cabinet or something for reference. Either way, it's a buggered capacitor. Anyway, change all that. I just ran the leads along the big solder pads just because I tore the traces off when I pulled the old capacitor out. Ripped the copper off, so I just did that. Same here. That were good enough. 105 degrees Celsius caps, which is good. That one there is too, but it's there we go, bent it a little bit out of the way so it's standing up. It's a high temperature cap, so I shouldn't complain too much being on near that heatsink. It's a good brand too. I didn't have an 1500 microfarad from this one here. It's supposed to be a 1500 microfarad, but I ain't got none, so 22 watt should not affect it at all. That's only on the low voltage, like 5 on the 3.5 and a 12 volt rail anyway, so a bit of extra filtration shouldn't hurt anything on the TV. Should behave itself now, because it was on its way out. The TV would take ages to turn on. It was doing that purple screen distorting thing it did the first time I fixed it. There's no bang out the speakers, so this is all fixed. So it should be pretty reliable for years to come then, this TV. Got a crap there, but I haven't got to change that yet. Anyway, as I said, all 105 degrees Celsius rated, except for this Rubicon 85, but it shouldn't be too much of an issue because it's not close here anyway. It's passively cooled enough. Anyway, let's put it in the TV and test it. I know it's going to work good now. Okay, let's test the battery in this UPS. Let's test this battery. Oh, my! We've got no battery power. No, we don't. See it flickered there. Yeah, battery just didn't work. That battery just ain't having it. That's the other UPS I got with the other scooter battery in it, which is a stronger scooter battery, but it hasn't got quite enough juice for something like this. Well, it seems a bit better, doesn't it? That's better. There we go. I pressed the wrong button. I'm supposed to press the input. Yeah, it actually turns on. Yeah, it's responding pretty good. Prove it's working. All fixed. Turn it off. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.